Hi cuties! Today we are going to learn about water. Water is a precious thing in this earth. Everybody knows that we cannot live without food. Most of the food we get from plants. Plants need water to grow and not only for growing, to prepare food for themselves. Plants become fresh and healthy when we pour more water. Animals, whether it is land animal, domestic or wild, all animals love to play in the water, stay in the water, not only to clean their body, to keep the body cool. Some animals live in water. Their home is water only. They are called water animals. Animals and birds feel thirsty. They drink water. And then next we are going to see uses of water. At home, why we are using water? In kitchen we use water for washing the fruits and vegetable. For cooking purpose we need water. For washing utensils. Next, for drinking purpose we need water. In the bathroom we use water for flush out. Second, bathing. And third one, brushing our teeth. Next, in schools. In schools we need water for again flushing, then mopping, cleaning the school. We need water. Everywhere we need water. Now you're going to see the use of water. Come, let's see the video.
What are the various uses of water? Water is used for drinking, water is used for bathing, water is used for washing clothes, water is used for cooking, water is used for watering plants, water is used for cleaning purpose, water is used to put out fire, water is used for farming. These are the various uses of water.
Next, come, we're going to see the images of sources of water. Come, let's go. Life cycle of water. When the sun shines very bright, due to the heat, the water goes up in the sky in the form of vapor. It is called evaporation. This you can do it at home, but you don't try, ask your mummy to do. Get a vessel, pour some water in it. Ask mummy to boil it. என்ன ஆகும்? தண்ணி கொதிச்சுட்டா what will come out? The vapor will come out. ஆவி வெளியே வரும்ல, the vapor will come out. This is called evaporation. Now you understood the evaporation. Same thing happens in the sky. After evaporation, the next step, what will happen? All the vapor will be collected in and form a cloud, big cloud. Inside the cloud, lot of vapor will be there. If the cloud will be heavy, what will happen? If bag is heavy means what will happen? Bag என்ன ஆகும்? கிழிஞ்சு போயிடும்ல. அதே மாதிரி same thing happen in the clouds also. It becomes heavy and the process, the vapor changes into water again is called condensation. Where it will happen? It will happen inside the clouds. It will break and come down as a rain. This process is called precipitation. So first water evaporate. அது மேலே போகும், that is called evaporation. அது மேலே போய் clouds form ஆகி அந்த vapor changes into water எங்க cloudsல, and then the condensation is over, and after condensation the clouds become heavy and it will break down. The water droplet come down to the earth as a rain. This process is called precipitation. Evaporation, condensation and precipitation, this is the complete cycle of water. Again I am repeating, don't waste water. Water is very precious. Drink plenty of water, but mainly drink pure water. Water keeps you healthy and strong, and you look very gorgeous if you drink more water. Okay children, I think you understood this topic. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care. See you. Bye bye.